Hi, I'm Matthew with Hayward. Today we're going to be discussing the AquaRite Omni upgrade kit. Part of the reason that we do this upgrade kit is for multiple benefits and additions to the system itself. The AquaRite is a salt system for a very simple installation. But if the homeowner down the road wants more controllability of their backyard, i.e. controlling lights, cleaner pumps, or other items such as adding an additional heater down the road, we can do so with the upgrade kit. The upgrade kit ships with very simple, easy to follow directions, and that we're actually going to show you step by step through today. Part of this upgrade kit includes 2 high voltage relays, the ability to add in an extra heater, an extra sensor, and the full MSP on the side. So we're going to do that today. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install the high voltage relays. They are located on the left-hand side. Once I've installed the high voltage relays, I'm going to hold the wire aside and then I'm going to install the board. A little bit about orientation of the board itself is that we have 2 ports that need to be at the bottom. These ports are the low voltage communication port and the high voltage power port. With the AquaRite, we no longer need the original factory display for the S3. At this point, we can actually unplug and remove said display. The kit also includes 2 jumpers. This is our high voltage and low voltage jumper. This is to send power to the upper board and to send communication from the lower board to the upper board. The last thing I'm going to install is my high voltage relays into their ports, followed by the MSP. Now the MSP is the new display that we're going to be utilizing when controlling this through the Omni. The MSP is also the Wi-Fi antenna, so this does connect to the internet so we can utilize the app. Once we've done the upgrade kit, we want to power the system back on. At this point, we should have a display shown on the MSP, and at this point, we are going to program and control everything through this new display.